To watch, to render visible. I watch, therefore you are. I am watched, therefore I am. Field notes for a catalog of enhanced awareness. The observer's task begins as vigilance, but ends as preservation. Empathy presents a persistent hazard, devolving quickly into the urge to intervene. There is no such thing as too much information. The distinction of word from code is an evolving science. Many hours have been expended on a reliable template. The blank stare is associated with the following physical and mental symptoms: hunger, satiety, boredom, concentration, libido, eye fatigue, spinal maladjustment, withdrawal from prescribed medication, withdrawal from unprescribed medication, carpal displacement, dental distress, pregnancy, venereal disease, nubial aggrievement, suicidal ideation, homicidal ideation, suppressed memory, insomnia, auditory hallucination, dream. This presents a challenge for cataloging, although ubiquity facilitates identifying deviation. Speed is the central parameter, triangulating foundational values: action, purpose, efficiency. The hopes that rally to rout colonial oppressors, the engines orbiting growing territories, the wings embossing shadows on desolations heretofore unmapped, a pace maintained at every arterial and crossing. The ideal map would layer continuous lines over discrete points until motion itself emerged the sole landmark. There is nothing to see here. To see is to anticipate. To anticipate is to protect. But there will always be blind spots, opacities beyond penetration. What is the timbre of digestion? What is the texture of sleep? What do subjects see behind drawn lids? A memory of sand and water? A frequency of toffees from a matron's dusty dish? The subject, him or herself, reflected in dilation by a tilting lens? The subject in repose remains a subject. Though mute and ostensibly inactive, useful data is nevertheless generated in the distinct pattern created by tussled linens, the choice of prone position, and the occasional unconscious outburst. Most useful and just as rare are those evenings when the silhouette of the sleeper vanishes from view, only to emerge in close proximity, centered within the frame, features shaded by the directness of his or her stare. The interval between ingress and securing of a living space is telling. The success of the observer on watch is manifest in the routine lowering of blinds, sliding of bolts, and pending of protective chains. In the warmer months, subjects pause at their thresholds, as if to absorb more deeply the sky's orange or the sway of parched branches. For there is smoke, altering traffic, the ritual, the arrestation in line, whose blurred sparks. The target reveals itself as an interstice in the profile, a thread obscured by inearment to the commonplace. There is nothing to